Okay, today we are looking at this thermal label printer. This is a NIIMBOT B18. It's compact, battery operated, looks very nice. It's a nice build. It's made entirely out of plastic, but it feels solid. It charges over USB-C. The port is right here on the right side, on behind this silicone gasket. On the left side we have this latch to release the door for the label compartment. This label compartment is small. This roll here contains 230 label. It's a lot smaller than what I'm used to. We have two guide here on the side. So this printer can take smaller label, and the maximum this can take is 2 inches wide. To insert the label roll, what you want to do is to have the label facing you when they come out of the machine. So we have to hold it like this. As well, we want to pull it out just slightly out of the machine when we close the door. Now when we turn it on, the machine's going to refeed the label. At this point it's ready to go. I'm going to place this printer on the left side so we'll have a bit of space on the right side for the app, because I want to show what this is about. Now I'm going to use the iOS app on my Mac M1. And here it is. So the first thing I want to mention is that in order to save any of your label, you need to be logged into their services. It's a cloud storage. There's no local storage for this. You can use it without being logged in, but you won't be able to save. Second, my printer is not connected. So I'm going to just go on the top right here, and now it's connected. In order to create my label, I just go at the bottom, on the center, and all this information for the label dimension you can just ignore. I'm just going to press new. And now it's saying that it detected the label, and whether I want to replace all of this with the information it detected, I'm going to say replace. Here's a text field that comes by default. I'm just going to replace it with "this is a test." And I'm going to print this out. So this is going to be my first test label. And here I'm going to click print. And now I'm going to click back, and let's see what other things this app can do. MT. Okay, so we have some barcodes. I'm going to just add some text here. Hello world. We also have QR code. So I'm going to add one of those as well. And I'm going to move it around. Oops. So you can pinch and zoom this screen here to make to better see the design of your label. I'm going to print this out. Print. And clicking back. I have to click up here, and now I can empty the page. Moving on, we also have tables. We have images, scans, serial number, insert Excel, and there is a second page. On the second page we have time. This one says figure, but it should be shape, so I see here some shape. Pretty standard stuff. Moving on, next one is material. So these are symbols, and I'm seeing a lot more symbol here than other app that I've used in the past, and I had the chance to use maybe 4 or 5 of them. So this is something I do like, but to be honest, the other one is not so bad because you can always load up your own images and then use those in your label. But here you have just more of them ready for you to use. So here I'm gonna just pick this Christmas tree. And I'm gonna add this text label. I'm gonna say to mom. Right, just adjust it a bit. I think it's good here. I'm gonna hit print and print again. So the software here is very average. I had the chance to try a bunch of them and they are equally good. The printer here is good. The only thing that I'm worried about is the label. I'm seeing a bit more of a gap here between the labels, so I don't know if I can use my cheaper third-party label with this printer. Other than that, I don't have any problem with this printer. It's compact, it's well built, and it works well. So hopefully this is helping you out. Thank you very much for watching.
Who's up next? What the action? Give me what? Max, where is it? I don't know if you guys are listening to camera, but there's something. What is that? No. Help me. Hello? Come to customer service.